Did you know the first 30 minutes after you wake up could make or break the way your body performs all day, especially below the belt? If you're a man over 60 and you've been feeling a little slower, a little weaker, or maybe just not quite yourself, what you're putting on your breakfast plate might be quietly sabotaging your strength, blood flow, and even your confidence in the bedroom. See, I've spent over 3 decades helping men regain control over their energy, circulation, and performance. And one of the biggest mistakes I see? Skipping breakfast, or loading it with the wrong foods, like sugar-heavy cereal, white toast, or just plain coffee on an empty stomach. But here's what's exciting. There are 5 specific foods, simple, natural, and easy to prepare, that can help restore blood flow, strengthen the muscles that matter, and bring back the energy and responsiveness you thought you lost with age. And I'm going to show you how to use them starting tomorrow morning. Let's start with a powerhouse you probably have sitting in your fridge right now: whole eggs. Not just the whites. I'm talking about the full egg, yolk included. Because that golden center is where the magic lives: vitamin D, choline, B12, and leucine, all of which support muscle strength and circulation. Especially the deep pelvic muscles that control blood flow and sensitivity. When one of my patients, Bill, 68, added 2 boiled eggs to his breakfast each day, he called me after 3 weeks and said, "Doc, I thought I was broken. But now, mornings feel like I'm 40 again." That's not hype. That's how your body responds when it gets what it needs. Now let's talk about food number 2, a warm bowl of steel-cut oats topped with chia seeds. Oats are rich in beta-glucan, a unique fiber that helps clear out your arteries and lower cholesterol. But more importantly, it helps blood flow better where it's needed most. Now add chia seeds to the mix and you've got a circulation cocktail. These tiny seeds are loaded with omega-3s, magnesium, and potassium. They help your blood vessels relax, reduce inflammation, and support healthier, firmer function. One man, Henry, told me after just 10 days of switching from a sugary breakfast to oats with chia, his legs felt lighter, he had more stamina, and yes, more drive. Food number 3. Watermelon. Yep. Watermelon for breakfast. Not a joke. This fruit is packed with citrulline, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide, the same compound your body uses to open up blood vessels. It's basically nature's own version of those blue pills, but without the side effects. Just a few slices in the morning, especially on an empty stomach, and you're priming your lower body for better flow and better performance, naturally. Now this next one surprises most guys. Sweet potatoes. Steamed and served warm, they're packed with complex carbs your muscles need to function. But here's the twist: sprinkle just a pinch of Celtic sea salt on top. That mineral-rich salt helps regulate blood pressure, support nerve function, and lock in hydration after a night of sleep. It stabilizes your morning energy, helps you feel grounded, and fuels the muscles in your pelvis and legs. A patient of mine, Thomas, 70, told me after 1 week of starting his day with this combo, he felt less stiffness, less groin numbness, and more power in every step. And finally, don't skip the drink. A glass of beetroot juice, or even half a roasted beet, can make a huge difference. Beets are loaded with nitrates, which your body converts into, you guessed it, nitric oxide. It's like a morning wake-up call for your blood vessels. Many men start to feel better blood flow and more responsiveness within just a few days. Now here's the deal. None of these foods are magic by themselves. But when you make them a consistent part of your morning routine, your body responds. Circulation improves. Muscles get the nutrients they need. And the confidence you thought was gone? It starts to come back. Naturally. So don't wait. Tomorrow morning, don't reach for the toaster or skip breakfast altogether. Grab 2 eggs. Warm some oats. Add chia seeds. Slice up a little watermelon. Or steam half a sweet potato. Give your body the tools it's been waiting for, and it will thank you. You don't need a miracle. You just need a plan. And it starts right here, on your plate. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who might need a boost too. And tell me in the comments, what's the first breakfast change you're going to make tomorrow? Because breakfast isn't just the most important meal of the day, it's the first step to getting your power back.